So this is my second engineering and science episode. Today we're making a catapult. So this is what it looks like. Like in the wars, people shoot these they put some rocks in here and try to defeat their castle. When they go in, because the doors too hard to go in, so they use big rocks put in this, and they shot the rock. They shoot the rocks, and then the castle door breaks down, and now they can go inside. So today we're making the same thing as that. Today we're making like this. I'm showing it how it works. You can use pom for testing. And that's where it went. So the things you need is 5 pom for testing, and 1, 2, 3, 5, yes. And you can have a lid. I'm not doing my lid, but it's your choice if you want to put it in like this one. And like we only need 3 rubber bands, but you can have variety of rubber bands with some breaks, so you can have the other ones. So first, you have to have 10 of them. You should have 12 sticks too. And you need 2 sticks to left. You put all of these together and do this. And first, now tie it. And you have 1 rubber band, and now you have to do this on the other side. And then you do this. And now you have to have your 2 sticks. And then you have to wrap this like this. Do that. See it if it's stress, and this one is kinetic energy. It does kinetic energy stuff, and now you can make it like this, and only open 1 stick. Put 1 inside, and put like that, and it's like this. Do that when it opens open it, and this turns into potential and kinetic energy. That, and now it's the lid part. It's your. I'm not putting mine on, but it's your choice if you want to glue this on here. So then if you want to glue it, and it will look like that. So okay, that's how you make a catapult. Thank you for watching my second science and engineering episode. See you soon. See you in my next episode. Bye. See you soon.